Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Good evening everyone. To all my friends, followers, subscribers, viewers, likers to my video clips, I would like to inform to all of you that I need a driver, a company driver to be assigned at my client, not personal driver. Since that I need a company driver, of course, first, one of the requirements, he should have a driver's license. 1, 2, 3. Please submit your resume and or send to my ipadala nimo sa ako ang private message sa ako ang messenger. Please take this opportunity because medyo taas ang sweldo niya since company driver, and naa siya load allowance, communication allowance, and food allowance. Ang iyahang home base niya of course Davao City, pero naa siya out of town like Jinsan, Coronadal City, Digos, Tagum City, and Cagayan de Oro City. Depende sa schedules. Please, thank you guys. God bless.